Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to crochet a newborn hat with crochet rib stitch, and for that I'm using bonbon yarn. It's going to be a fox hat, so I'm using orange color. It's a bonbon 4-ply yarn and it's very premium, perfect for kids, and it's available on my website. I'm using 4.5 mm crochet hook and it's also available on my website. This is the wooden fox button. We will place it on hat. It's also available on my website, and for that we will be using big eye needle and scissors. We're gonna need it. So let's get started. We are starting with a magic loop. It's also called magic circle, and if you don't know how to make it, I already uploaded a complete workshop for absolute beginners. In that workshop you will learn crochet magic circle, basic chain and some basic stitches. So now we need 30 chains. This cap is for newborn. If you want to make a bigger cap, you need to make more chains. Okay, so now that we have 30 chains, in the second chain I'm making half double crochet. Again, that workshop for absolute beginners. In that workshop I already explained how to make half double crochet. So first row will be crochet half double crochets all over the chain. Okay, so now we have our first row. Let's turn the first row, chain 1 and half double crochet in the very first stitch, like this. Okay, so now we are making crochet rib stitch, and crochet rib stitch is basically making half double crochet in the back loops. Okay, you can see we have back loops and we have front loops, but we are making half double crochet in back loop. Again half double crochet in the next stitch, in the next back loop, and that's how we will complete second row. Last half double crochet we will be making in the whole stitch. Okay, so you can see that we have like a very nice row here. You can see the chain. I really love crochet rib stitch because it's very premium looking and it's very stretchy and it's very versatile stitch. We can use it for so many projects. Okay, so crochet rib stitch again in the back loops, half double crochets. That's how we will make 30 rows in total. Right now we have 2 rows and 3 row is continued. I'll be back after 30 rows. See, now we have 30 rows and let's continue the work. Next step, we have to fold this work into half like this, and now I'm using this plastic big eye needle and I'm going to stitch it here with the needle, like the both parts. I'm going to stitch the both parts with the big eye needle. Just follow the process. Okay, this part is done. Now we are going to do the top part to, like, you will see how it will look like cap after this one. It's done, and look at the shape. It's very beautiful, and this stitch is really warm. That's why I love this stitch for caps. Okay, so now our cap is almost ready. We have to fold the bottom part. Okay, I am counting 8 chains and going to fold it accordingly like this. Easy peasy. Okay, cap is ready, and now we have to paste the fox button. I really love this fox button. See, it came out really cute. See you in the next video.